Alright, so I've not played Roblox in like a freaking 2 years, so yeah, I guess we'll just get into it. Alright, update. Let's see what we got. We got clans. That's interesting. We do not care. It would be the Fortnite copy, I guess. Minor kit. Yeah, I already bought that. I know, I'm sick. I think it actually came with a few titles too. Locker, titles. Oh my god, my dog next to me. Hi, Freud. Oh, never mind. Sweaty? No, I want that title. That's my title. I had to get. Oh, whoa. What the heck? There's Lunar New Year, Mic Check, Miners of the Galaxy. Oh, Mining Away. I need this title. Mining Away. Yeah, this is the title I need. Mining Away. I wish you could do shift to press your thing. If I could do just shift, and if I could do it, well, I guess that shift is wrong, but instead of having to do that and then click to use my my whatever the heck this thing's called. Also, make these come with lobby gadgets. Like, never mind. It was 1006. No, okay, just forget everything I just said. Okay, just ranked. Nah. Oh yeah. Well, I'm not really gonna join that. Alright, so I'm going to be playing some Lucky Blocks. I have not played Bedwars in a hot second. So, also, doesn't the ground look different? I'm probably the first YouTuber to notice this, but I think the ground is different. Yeah, it is. It used to be more like brown. I'm not trying to be like, you know. Oh, I'm just flying now. Now I'm mining away. How good am I in the battle pass? Oh my god, I'm like so behind. I'm level 29. Well, I'm not sure if that's good or not. I'm almost at the Yeti kit. I'm pretty sure it can like instant like kill, but hey, computer. Thank goodness it just saved me there, because whenever my computer does that, I just give up on life. Also, I got bar mitzvah, so I guess that's cool. I got some fighter hoodies. No, ignore my name. My name is so weird. Why Roblox? Thankfully, I actually know this map. Is this degenerate? I'm assuming this is degenerate. Yeah, it is. My god, why is Roblox so bad on computer for me? This guy is not even loading. Like, his body is transparent as a duck's hippopotamus girlfriend. I don't know. My sword's not even showing. Alright, I'm still Commander Flamingo from that game I made. Also, I'm not going I never wanted to like just do critical tower defense, and I'm going to start doing like random games in Roblox. I might do like tycoons, like simulators. I might do bed wars. Who knows? Okay, any new shop items? No, there's not. Yeah, I'm doing Lucky Blocks because I like this game mode, and I know there's probably some. Yeah, I think there's like 2 new items: the mass hammer and the thing. The two-sided blade, which sucks because well, in your inventory you actually take damage, which is literally dog crap. My gosh, it's good to be back. I've not played this game in so long. Now, this doesn't mean I'm going to stick as a Bed Wars YouTuber. I'm gonna play random games now, like maybe like more popular games. Like I might do like Find the Mark. Yo, there's an enemy there? I thought that was my teammate. Wait, what? Oh. Aw, dang. I forgot double XP is not enabled. Let's play again. I haven't really ever tested out this miner kit that much. What does this guy get? You got... Yeah, what the... Oh yeah, the layered clothing. I bought all the layered clothing, but I don't wear it in Bed Wars anymore because it's so broken in Bed Wars, literally. Like, it goes... Like, it's so broken. I'm just spectating... No, I disagree. Why was I spectating that guy? His name is silly, I guess. So silly. Oh, this is embarrassing. Oh yeah, also play Chapter 2. It just came out. I might make a video on it. I haven't even made a video about Chapter 1, but I made a game called Silent Tone. They're 2 separate games, by the way, because I can't do game teleprediction because I suck at scripting. Well, I'm not bad, okay? I know the basics. I can put together my own script, but like still. Also, I got a fire hoodie for my bar mitzvah. Where is the Lucky Block? No Lucky Blocks at our base? That's kind of sad. I'll let this guy build. I'll grab armor or something. I'm lazy. Yeah, go kill that guy, please. Bro, this guy actually, he's using like Elder Tree Kit or something. That's how bad he is. Oh, he's one of... when they try to do that strategy, but they just fail dramatically. Wow, you're so good, bro. You're so good. This guy thinks he's so good. Well, maybe he is, actually. Yo, you just took 11 damage. Are you really think you're gonna kill me? Bro, how did I even knock him that far? Armor, just give me the armor, thank you. Oh, there he comes. He's tryharding, but you ain't tryharding no more. Elbows. That always works. Now it's time for some lucky blocks. I love lucky blocks. I still have a wooden sword, so that's helpful. Why did my teammate leave? Thank you. I was about to say it better not. Build? Question mark. I know I'm not sprinting. I know they're coming after me. Shoot! I suck on computer. No, he's getting our bed. Shoot. My cursor! It stuck! That was awkward. Yeah, well, our bed's destroyed, so that's a thing. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Yeah, that's like Dot. Scared little newbie cow. Yo, ayo. Double teaming me now! God, I suck at this game. I'm realizing how bad I am after not playing for like a month. See what I mean about the layered clothing? It's literally so glitched. They need to fix that. If he gets the new one, oh, we got a crow. Elbozo. I should have done Lucky Block squads. I might do that. What's the sweatiest game mode in this game? Comment down what you think. I think it's ranked, honestly. Dubs. Oh, is that 14th place? Yeah. Oh, no, wait. I think that's a clan. I might also buy the VIP rank, even though it does nothing. Just to support bedwars status. This is a really cool game. I still play the updates weekly. But I don't make videos on them. But I just check out the updates on YouTube. I play like one game which I lose, and then he got the first. If he got a rage blade, I swear. What is that? What did he just get? What did he just get? Oh, he got that. No. I'm gonna let this guy build. Stop! What? How did he get the spears? Oh my god. I'm gonna build over those lucky blocks. I don't even care. Yeah, just go combo them with your spears, bro. Slay like a queen, my friend. I said I did today. And my bar mitzvah. How? The game obviously is hacking me. I'm too good for life to fall there. Totally. Oh, lucky block. Nice. Give me something good. What the freak? The freakity frockity? Oh, plus 50 HP? Like, oh my god, new best item in the game? Question mark? Like, oh my god. Is he built? That was mine! That was supposed to be mine! What was in that even? It didn't even show me what was in it. So disrespectful. You know, I'll grab the diamond. I got it. Bro, my diamond. Elbows up. Pretty elbows of you. The person is coming. Well, I'm plus 50 HP, so I don't got nothing to worry about. Literally, look at my HP right now. My HP popping off. I'm gonna go get some emeralds. And I know I have nothing, but who literally asked? I'm not gonna be a bozo like last time. Pretty bozo of that kid. Woo! Dog, I swear, if you start barking. People are already gathering emeralds like it's 2017. Crows? Okay, this kid sucks. Well, it's good for popping balloons. X to explode. Die! What? Yo, just, I don't even care. This sucks. Oh my god. Ooh, lucky block. Rage blade, please. I mean I mean iron's not a rage blade, but like I'll take it. So many lucky blocks over here. What the heck am I gonna? Oh, actually no, spirits are good. More? Let's go. Come on, please. No! Oh, lucky drop air bomb. Where is it? Shoot! Why do I suck at this game? Oh, our bed was destroyed. I'm so good. 8,000